Hello dear friends, it's Estonian News and today we tell you about problems of the world, it's immigration. And I pass a vote to my college Leonid Sovetny.
Hello guys, it is Estonian News and today we tell you about Estonian migration. Estonian people think that migration is bad for Estonian economy, but for our opinion it's not like this. Some people, mostly Russian people, move to Estonia. Why? Because firstly in Estonia more workplaces, normally salaries for Russians. Russians go to Estonia because they want to work here and get salary better and bigger than in Russia. When Estonia went in the European Union, economic started faster up because European Union helped Estonian economy. Some Russian businessmen go to Estonia because they realize their business ideas easier than in Russia. Estonia is in Europe. Estonia has access to the Baltic Sea, moderate taxes. Estonia has a profitable economy and a geographical structure. Those parts to give businessmen and to business a big plus. For Estonia is two big plus. That people immigrate legally because they pay taxes. But some people go to Estonia without legal documents. They work here not legally, live here not legally. They don't pay taxes. This problem badly affects Estonian economy and destroy it. But Estonian government fight with this problem actively. Those people must pay taxes and mustn't destroy the economy. Some people go here and don't work. They live at expense of the state, receive and allowance. State pay them money. Therefore, they don't work. For our opinion, state may give money, for example, around 1 year, and then people must go into work, live themselves and pay taxes. It was about migration in Estonia. Estonian News. See you guys. Goodbye.